In this video, you will learn how to save data through a page. Forms are more simple to use but don't offer the freedom that pages do. A page allows you to record information in multiple tables and allows for the creation of fully customized layouts and designs. Since the page does not automatically create a table in the database, you must link it to a form using the page class. The information entered by the user on the page will then be saved in this form. In this tutorial, we will use the client form, which was developed in the project and form creation video. To get started, create a new page called Client Page. Access the dev properties to create the page class. In the class field, enter Client Form and assign a name to the page class in Alias. Then click Add and then Save. Now add the same fields that are included in the form, the name and phone text fields, as well as the email field. Remember that unlike the form, to be able to save data on the page, you will need to add a button with the Save function. Insert the button component and rename it to Save. In the button's properties, select the previously created page class and set Save as the action type so that the button can save the data in the indicated form. Finally, it is necessary to specify in which fields of the form the records will be stored. Click on the text field name, select the page class, and in Class Property, choose the corresponding field. Repeat this process for the other fields. Let's now test the application. Run the page and enter some records. When you're done, click the Save button. Return to the data grid of the form linked to this page and verify that the records have been successfully saved. In the next video, we will learn how to recreate the data grid on the page. Don't miss it. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.